Hi, I'm Finish Fit Coach Dean. In today's episode of the Daily Dose of Finish Fit, I'm going to talk about our 5 top weight loss tips. 1. You have to decide that you're sick of the way you look and feel and it's time for a change. No one can make that commitment for you. 2. Obviously, the best way to start is to get help. However, hiring a trainer or joining a gym or boot camp may not be in your budget. So, why not just start by walking? Commit to walking at least 30 minutes, 3 times per week. 3. Don't drink your calories. Avoid soda, sports drinks, and juices. Just stick to water. 4. Track your food consumption. There are many free apps that can help you with this. 5. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating requires that you disconnect from your TV, phone, and any other distractions while you eat. This will prevent you from overeating. Are you ready to finish it with Finish Fit?